What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cheddar Go Get 'em, man. Silent TV once again. We back up in this bitch. You heard me with this boy Nate. With NateDawg braids, I gotta get used to that shit. But it's honeycomb braids, man. In my eyes, I always gonna be in my eyes. But you know I can respect it, bro. Want to change the shit up? You feel me? But shit, this one is called Free Bird, man. Let me see what my partner talking about, bro. We already know he bring that heat, so let's see what this wordplay shit about. You heard me? Let's get it, man.
Yeah. Yeah. What you gonna do? What you gonna do to win?
You already know, man. Big Curry gonna pancake one, baby.
That nigga Drake crazy. Yeah. This that Brazy shit, yeah. This that Brazy shit, yeah. This that Brazy shit, yeah. Walk one down, man. Don't even talk about it. Go get him. Go and 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 get him. Walk her down, Draco talk, knock him out, do it with a hand pistol. Fuck the cow, fuck the law, fuck the talk. Ain't no more span niggas. Hit a law, throw the crowd.
Hey, bro. Shout out who do a video, bro. I really fuck with y'all. Shout out be goddamn. You feel me? Yeah, I see what you doing, my nigga. I'm fucking with it. But that nigga Brazy always, man, come on. They get back this shit. I ain't gonna talk too much.
On the price that'll make it man look Brazy. This that Brazy shit, yeah. This that Brazy shit, yeah. This that Brazy shit, yeah. Introduce these niggas to that Brazy shit, yeah. Did that run up on a nigga, knock the passions out of here. Heard a pussy ass nigga say he wanna take it down. Project baby, I know smokers who will take you off the mouth. Yeah, with the yeah, all he need is a scrap. Yeah, I heard what you said, throwing words in the air. Drop some bread.
Another thing, bro, Phoebe goddamn really disrespecting no smoker, bro, but you never knew it. Those smokers used to be, bro. I know plenty of smokers that'll smoke your ass, like for real, like they got they smoke crack. Oh, they got their little vices or whatever, bro. Them folk will still got them knock your shit off. For real. I done seen it happen, bro. Nigga disrespect the crackhead, gang make it blew that nigga shit. Clear the fuck off. Oh, God.
On your head, know it burns in the air. Leave it burns on the car with the wind like a bird. Need to free my nigga bird. You the swerve everywhere. On the first and the third, we might purge over there. Go and get him, go and get him, go and get him, go and get him, go and get him. Walk her down, Draco talk, knock him out, do it with a hand pistol. Fuck the cow, fuck the law, fuck the talk. Ain't no more span niggas. Hit a loud, throw the crowd on the price that'll make it man flip. Brazy. This that Brazy shit, yeah. This that Brazy shit, yeah. This that Brazy shit, yeah. Introduce these niggas to that Brazy shit, yeah. Did that run up on a nigga, not the passion.
Oh, bro, he just be energetic, shot to make you want to just goddamn do some Brazy shit.
How my shooter having feet, he be stepping, dripping, he'll do it off the Lord. I ain't gotta pay him nothing. All I beat up pussy nigga in a wheelchair. Make his ass sit up like he working on his stomach. Try to tell a nigga about playing with that Brazy shit, yeah. Middle school, in the field at net 380 hit, yeah. 3-year-old.
Make a nigga sit up like he working on his stomach. Nigga.
Just too grown to baby sin, yeah. Devo, I was tryna take some shit, yeah. Go and get him, go and get him, go and get him, go and get him, go and get him. Walk her down, Draco talk, knock him out, do it with a hand pistol. Fuck the cow, fuck the law, fuck the talk. Ain't no more span niggas. Hit a loud, throw the crowd on the price that'll make it man flip. Brazy. This that Brazy shit, yeah. This that Brazy shit, yeah. This that Brazy shit, yeah. Introduce these niggas to that Brazy shit, yeah. Did that run up on a nigga, knock the passions out of here. Yeah, with the yeah, all he need is a scrap. Yeah, I heard what you said, throwing words in the air. Drop some bread on your head, know it burns in the air. Need to free my nigga bird, you the swerve everywhere. Brazy.
Brazy shit. Hey, man, I'm kind of biased. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with real niggas anyway. Solid niggas, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? What you see is what you get when you're dealing with a nigga. And that's the best way to be, bro. And like I said, shout out to keep getting better and better, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm fucking with y'all, riding with it. You feel me? I fuck with that real shit. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, when you hear it, you know if it's real or fake, bro. Like, shit. Hey, Brazy, keep doing your shit, my nigga. I'm gonna continuously goddamn fucking with you, man. Salute, man. Until the next time, man. Y'all stay solid, bro. You know my partner wasn't here today. You know what I'm saying? Take care of fatherly duties and shit. But shit, he gonna be back up in this bitch, man. But for real, man, stay solid. Dodge, stay far away from all that bullshit, bro. Watch out for these crazy ass niggas for you females. And these niggas, you better watch out for these shady females, boy, cause they setting you up on the all-time high, man. You know what I'm saying? Quit being so thirsty. You know what I'm saying? Keep it clear. You feel me? Check out this bitch, man.